Meaning of Hershey bar.
Hershey bar.
Hershey bar.
Hershey bar.
Hershey bar. A Hershey bar is a type of chocolate bar produced by the Hershey Company. It was first introduced in 1900 and has since become a popular candy bar in the United States and around the world. The classic Hershey bar consists of milk chocolate made from cocoa, milk, sugar, and other ingredients. It is rectangular in shape and divided into small squares that are easy to break off and share. The Hershey bar is often used in baking recipes and as a topping for desserts, and it is also a common treat to enjoy on its own.